Good morning. I wanted to start going over my live trades because I just need something to hold myself accountable. I feel like I am at a point where my chart reading is good enough to be profitable, but my um, discipline is not. And so I think doing something to hold myself accountable will help. And so I wanted to go over my trades today, and I feel like I should really only be taking two or three trades a day, especially we're going back and forth right now. We're ranging, especially on a range day. I think you got to be really careful if you're not taking two or three trades. So let's start out. I came in, I saw that we had this move down, but since 150 in the morning, it was really looking like the buying pressure was strong. If you look here, there aren't consecutive strong bear bars after that. Consecutive strong bull bars, one bear bar, one bear bar, one strong bear bar here, not a strong bar there, one strong bear bar here, one strong bear bar doji, one strong bear bar. But you could actually argue for this to be a strong bear bar, but it's a doji. The body is not big. Uh, one strong bear bar, one strong bear bar, and then we got this two strong bear bars. So at this point, I was like, okay, well, you know, the buying pressure looks a little stronger, but we just got these two closes. Boom, we close below the low, and then we get this sell off. So I started looking at the other charts, and I saw this channel here, this downward channel. What else? I saw that we had been in an upward channel since like May 31st, this channel up. And so I looked at the daily chart, and I've been seeing this channel up that started in April 19th, and we've been in this smaller channel since May 31st. So I saw that. Um, but yeah, on this chart, I like this higher low. I was like, okay, this is pretty reasonable. I think you can buy this. And I started to hold it, but I was like, this, you really got to scalp out on these range days. And so I did. And you can see I almost got out perfect timing. And you have to follow the rules. The rules are when you're in a range, you buy low, sell high, and scalp. And, I probably would have thought this was the high of the range. And I think that might have been my target. It was closer to up here. But you have to take profits. And so we get a sell off. And it looks like, did I sell here? Yeah, it looks like I sold here. Probably anticipating this bar to close bearish. Yeah, this is just bad. I probably didn't have my trend line drawn at that point. Let me look at this chart. So that'd be my second trade. Okay, yeah. So I think I was looking, oh no, it was on this bar. So this is just a bad entry, plain and simple. Um, this is a broad bear channel, and when there's a broad bear channel, you want to wait for pullbacks. And so that's what I should have done, is waited for a pullback, but I didn't. And then I did wait for a pullback here, and I entered. Yeah, and look at that. I lost 5 points there. And it's just a bad entry. Then you wait, you get a pullback here. And I sell, and that's confirmation of this trend channel. And here's the problem. I get 6 points of profit. My target was this matching low, and we didn't get there. And so, I eventually took profits. I got 3 points of profit. I probably should have exited here because that's a good buy signal. That's a double bottom, very bullish bar. We didn't make it to this low, so I think that's a reasonable place to take profits. I should have taken profits earlier, probably. But look at that, 6 points. I mean, I'm trading one MES contract. And so when you're trading that small, you don't have the option of taking partial profits here and waiting it for it to go further up or further down to close your position. So that's something to keep in mind. And then obviously, look at this. This is just crazy. I have probably 4 entries in here. So the first one I went long, and I don't think that's bad at all. I went long right here and put my stop right here. I got stopped out, and then I entered again, thinking that we wouldn't go much further below the EMA, but I think I don't know, maybe I should have waited for a stronger signal. And now I have to widen this so we can see everything. So got out here, boom. Hit my stop here, so I only lost a few ticks there. And then I went short again. Down here, I think, maybe. Entry 50. 27. So in the middle of this bar, it looks like. And I got stopped out because I was going long. I had the right idea. And then I switched up in my head and I went short. And then you get this big bull bar. And then I switch up again. I'm like, you know what? I was probably right. Let's go long. Boom. What did I enter at? So I entered up here and it came back down and I got out. So this is just, this is what you don't want to do. And this is the lack of discipline that I have. And so I realized I was wrong. A bunch of times I got back in and I did the right thing here. I took a small profit. What is that? 3.5 points. And you can see everyone else did too. And we just went sideways. And then we come back up here and I sold. And so let's talk about why I sold up here. We were getting to the top of the channel. And so I sold below this signal bar. And my account was so small at that point that I couldn't really risk a whole lot. And, I had the right idea to go short. I could have gotten a scalper's profit easily. I could have gotten, probably 5 points of profit. But because my account was so small, I had to exit up here. And so that's another thing is like trading with a small account is you gotta be in and out quickly, and it's difficult to do. And so these are the things you got to think about and be careful of, because I was right in selling here, but I didn't have enough margin available. So those are my trades for today. I hope everyone enjoyed that. I have to start doing this more often, and I'm even hopefully going to live stream it on YouTube for a little bit. So hope everyone has a great day.